Welcome to Natural Hair Care Treatments, the go-to channel for every hair lover who believes in the power of nature. From ancient remedies to modern science, we explore secrets that help your hair thrive naturally. Imagine being 60 and still having hair that rivals your 20s. For millions of women across India, that isn't just a dream, it's tradition. Passed down through generations, Amla, also known as the Indian Gooseberry, isn't just a fruit, it's a promise. A promise of strong roots, thick strands, and ageless beauty. Amla, or Philanthus emblica, is a small green fruit with a sour punch and a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with vitamin C, nearly 20 times more than an orange, it also contains antioxidants, flavonoids, gallic acid, and tannins that protect and restore. Here's where it gets fascinating. Amla is believed to inhibit 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT, one of the major culprits behind hair loss. It also stimulates collagen production, which is essential for hair structure and elasticity. And thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, Amla helps maintain a clean, balanced scalp, creating the ideal environment for new growth. In India, Amla isn't just a beauty trend, it's sacred. Ayurveda, India's 5,000-year-old healing science, ranks Amla as a rasayana, a rejuvenator of the body and spirit. Used in oil, paste, or juice form, it's been a staple in Indian households, massaged into hair weekly, drunk as a tonic, and even offered in spiritual rituals. Here's a question for you. Have you ever tried Amla for your hair? Would you trust an ancient remedy to rescue your roots, or do you think it's just another wellness fad? Stick around. We'll show you how to actually use it for real results. There are 3 powerful ways to use Amla. First, Amla oil. Warm the oil slightly and massage it into your scalp. Let it sit overnight to boost blood circulation and deeply nourish your follicles. Second, Amla paste. Mix fresh Amla or powder with a little water or yogurt. Apply it to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Third, Amla juice. Taken internally, Amla purifies the blood and supports healthy hair from within. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology revealed that Amla extracts significantly improved hair density and reduced hair fall after just 6 weeks. In another trial, Amla oil was shown to outperform even minoxidil in preventing hair loss in certain subjects. These aren't just beauty hacks, they're clinically backed breakthroughs from nature. For even more powerful results, try combining Amla with other herbs. Amla and Brahmi help strengthen the roots and calm the nervous system. Amla and coconut oil provide deep nourishment and shine, and Amla with fenugreek creates a powerful scalp detoxifying treatment. Remember, growing your best hair isn't about a magic bottle. It's a journey of nourishment, tradition, and self-care. Amla bridges all 3. If you've made it this far, you're clearly on a mission for healthier hair. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more time-tested natural remedies, and drop a comment if you've ever used Amla or plan to after watching this video. Until next time, stay rooted and radiant.